Today is going to be very dramatic, so if you don't like dramatic, scroll on past. If you like watching dramatic and aren't brave enough to attempt yourself, then enjoy. And if you get your panties in a bunch about dramatic, then I don't know what to tell you. Take a deep breath. All Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 Morphe palette today, and I'm starting with this, which is Living My Best. Told you. We're going to pack this just in the crease. Not going down onto the lid, not going really much higher than this. Panicking yet? I'm not. Moving to this baby shit color, which is G Money. Using this just on the very edge of that crease color to blend out the red. This bright yellow, no joke. We're gonna run that just on the very, very top edge on both sides and blend it as you see fit. Now we're going to take the first shade we used in the crease and this one beside it, which is a bright ass pink called Heart On. Heart On. Perv. Packing this one on the lid. I told you this was going to be dramatic. This is where we're at. Hang on to your hat. Repeating what we did on the top, on the bottom. So the gradient like sunset. So Living My Best. Then we're going to put the G Money. Then we're going to put the No Joke. Using the same brushes that I did on the top. So I did Living My Best. This is a touch of the G Money right on the very edge. And then I'll do the No Joke. It's always smart to have a clean brush around to blend and soften that edge, because blending is always key. So we're going in with the No Joke, the yellow, and it's just a little hint of it just to say that it picks up on the top. That's it for eyeshadow. Sigma's black gel eyeliner in Wicked. I'm going to do my waterline as well as tightline on the inner rim. Sigma Glow Kissed highlight palette, my favorite highlight palette of all time. The color Aurora here. I'm going to do the inner corner and my brow highlight. NYX Epic Ink liner, made a little wing, and Sigma Paramour mink lashes. I mean, come on.